Do you think for this filming they're doing, there was a draw of what you could win? Like, go to the World Cup, do a documentary there, I don't know, go to Wimbledon, and the bum steer was go to the Skiff Club.
We lost our original home in 1973. When the Skiff Club was founded in 1895, it occupied Turk's Boat House over in Kingston. Turk's company decided that they wanted to make more commercial use of the building, and we had to move out. In 1993, we had the opportunity to buy a share of our current premises. So this is where we ended up.
We're there for each other, we look out for each other, we support each other. And on the other side, we drive each other, we encourage each other, we push each other to try and get the best out of everybody. And this is what I would like the community at large to see about the Skiff Club. So I joined about 8 years ago. I found it by accident. My partner, he was into rowing, and I used to do a lot of road cycling, and I hurt my back in a crash, and then he said, oh, you should come rowing and see what that's like. And I found the Skiff Club, and I've never looked back. It's addictive. So I was the captain for 1 year in 2019, and the club was amazing. They asked me to take it on, and I did. And we held a meeting the first month, and I said to the crews, what do you want? And they said, we want to win. We want to win the Ormiston Cup. And I said, okay, then we need to get on, and we need to get training, and we need to get motivated. And the whole club came behind us, and it was absolutely amazing.
Skiff Club, attention, go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, go!
Roll, stop. Roll, stop.
Everybody knows each other. We act like a family. If somebody wants something, we put it up in the WhatsApp group. I need an extra teapot, I'm having visitors. Who's got one? Everybody will comment straight away. I've got it, come and borrow it, or drop in, pick it up, or whatever. It's definitely unique to London. You're not going to find this in a regular gym. You're not going to find this on any high street. It's people coming together, and because we know the importance of preserving this tradition and the boat building and the rowing on the River Thames, people have vested interest to keep it alive.
Unfortunately, I took over from Eilish just before all the COVID lockdowns. Well, they're a wonderful bunch. They're a very eccentric bunch. So when you first meet them, there are some characters, absolutely, but they're all really good people. They've all got their hearts in the right place, and it's a really good community to work in. No, the average age is higher. It's up in the it's up in probably the 50s or the 60s. But it says a huge amount about the exercise and how good it is for you that people will skiff well into their 80s. But there is a mix. We have people at school, and we have people in their 80s, and everybody between.
We have the fun side, where we go to the pub every Sunday morning and have a drink and have a jolly up and down the river, to the more strenuous side, that we do the racing and that we partake in all the races from all the clubs up and down the river, that we want to win, that we're out there to fight for our name.
That's one of the advantages of the club, is that it's that mix between exercise, racing and the social side. We won the Ormiston Cup, which is the main cup between the Skiff clubs of the year. That Eilish was the captain, so she handed over a club in rude health.
We won the Ormiston Cup, yes, so hip hip hooray to the Skiff Club. You're never going to find a club like this anywhere else. It's one of only 7 that are left on the river, and it's so old and unique and such a testament to London and to the craftsmanship of the boat builders of London. So yeah, you were not going to find this anywhere else. Very English.
Oh, the second day of Christmas, my true love sent to me.
Oh, the Santa Skiff?
Yeah.
Yes. So it's our Christmas celebration. So it's our Christmas rowing tour of just up to sort of Hampton Court Bridge and back again, stopping at a number of pubs and hostelries on the way. We dress the boats up, we cover them in lights and tinsel and decorations, and row them down the river, maybe sing a few carols and stop for a few drinks. It's great fun, and it's a great way of advertising the clubs to the local shopping community of Kingston and beyond.
Sent to me 5 gold rings, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree. 6 on the 6th day of Christmas, my true love sent to me 65 gold rings, calling birds, 3 French.
My hope for the club is that we continue having fun on the water, using our time on the water and off the water to become physically fitter. A bit of a challenge for some people, and continue also to be enthusiastic about racing.
Turtle doves and a partridge in a pear
It's not helpful, they were laughing at me, right?
Fine, well I'll pop over and help people take some exercise. If when you, the May, oh,
It's okay.
sorry.
Edit that well, because I do ramble on.
All right. Thank you, everybody. Sorry, can we get beer now?
3, 2, 1, let's go!